So gluten, it is a, as I told you, it is a gluten-free product. So we can use, if somebody has, or some kids or some people have intolerance to the wheat, we can use this quinoa. Quinoa can be made in a salad form, it can be made in a flour form, it can be made in a different vegetables form also. It can be used in different purposes. It also helps in a weight loss. It has all 9 amino acids which are required by our cereals. So that's how it is very important nowadays. It regulates your blood sugar. So there are so many things attached with it. So here you can see that it's a kind of a little dark kind of a pasta which we are going to make today. And there are things which are going to be along with it, some cheese, some sweet corn, onions, capsicums, mushrooms, green peas, carrots, broccoli. So there are a lot of vegetables which will go to kind of making very healthy options for everyone, not only for the kids. We're going to use some milk. So I'm going to use some Amul cream and Amul milk also in this, and Amul butter and cheese. These are the things which we going to use. So before getting delayed, let's start with the recipe. So first of all, I'll start with boiling the pasta. Pasta, normally it will take 8 to 10 minutes. So every pasta has a different timing for the pasta or for the boiling. So maybe 8 minutes, 10 minutes, it's written always on the pack. So according to that, you have to boil the pasta. So once the water starts boiling, then only you will add the pasta. Otherwise what will happen is, it will start sticking each other and will result in a lumpy pasta, which we don't want. So while we are boiling the water, we will add some salt. Salt.
Chef, volume of gas is
Okay. So I think it is making a little noise here. So let me reduce it down. And we're going to add some 1 spoon of oil, so it will not get sticky. That's it. So we'll wait for the water to boil. So once the water is boiling, let's see what are different vegetables we are going to use. So I'll show you how the vegetables we're going to cut it. So I'll going to display the demonstration also. So this is how we're going to use capsicum, green capsicum. So whenever you are cutting the vegetables, or especially the capsicum, please try to cut in such way that maximum part of the capsicum it is used. So this is how you are supposed to cut it when you are cutting at home also. Remove this white pit and cut into dices, and this is also we can use in small dices like this, and remove this white part. Okay, and we're going to use this also. So this is how we're going to cut the capsicum. Carrot is also we're going to cut in a very simple form, very simple. We peel the carrots and we're going to cut in strips like this. Simple. And then we're going to cut into simple dices like this. So you can combine together also, you can cut into simple form also. Small cuts of vegetables like this. Onions also, we are going to cut all the vegetables in almost same shape, so that they will cook easily and they will have. And meanwhile I am cutting the vegetables. Anybody has any question, please ask. I repeat my dish today again. I am making the quinoa pasta with white sauce and with lots of vegetables, seasonal vegetables. So these are the vegetables which how we are going to cut it. We already cut some vegetables, we already blanched them, like green peas, we already cooked them, the capsicums. So we are going to combine them together, and now water start boiling. So now it's time to add our pasta. नवरात्रि की आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज नवरात्रि का दिन है, सब लोगों ने आज फास्ट खोला होगा, तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट वे टू स्टार्ट योर डे। यू कैन मेक सम पास्ता टुडे एंड कल दशहरा है, तो दशहरा के लिए भी सबको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ और शुभकामनाएं। एनी क्वेश्चंस स्टिल नाउ? So water is almost boiling, so we'll wait for the boiling. So whenever we're cooking the pasta, we make sure we cook with al dente. Al dente is an Italian term. So that means when we don't have to cook the fully pasta, we have to cook only till it's become little less cooked. Like one portion is not cooked. White portion should be there. So I'll show you how it is when I am going to boil it. So let's see, the water is boiling now, so I'm going to add the pasta now. Here go the pasta. So whenever you put the pasta also, you need to little bit stir also. Not too much, just to make sure that it does not stick to the bottom. Like this. And let it boil fully. So it will take around 8 to 10 minutes. So in meanwhile, we'll start cooking the vegetables now. And we're going to shift it. We'll start with the pasta. So our pasta is boiling, so we're going to shift it here. And now we're going to start with the vegetables. We have taken one pan. Not very high heat, heat has to be medium. So we'll take some olive oil. 2 spoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, as you can see, a little bit hot, we're going to add some garlic, chopped garlic. If you want to add garlic, it is okay. If you don't want to add garlic, you can skip this garlic part. Some people don't like the garlic very much. So you add the garlic now. We don't have to make it brown. So similarly, we'll add some onions inside. At the same time, heat is very less, not too much. It's time to add our vegetables like carrots, capsicum, and we're going to season with a little bit salt. And we're going to cut some mushroom also. We're going to cut mushroom and we'll put the mushroom slice inside here. Our vegetables are getting ready. We'll add some corn, sweet corn. Here. Okay, and in the last we are going to add some green tea. So it's a very colorful vegetable. We're going to add and some seasoning here. We have Italian seasoning, which is with some rosemary, thyme, parsley, and in the last we're going to add some broccoli here. Not too much. Like this. Make sure you stick together and control the heat. We'll add some white pepper here. So, any questions so far? Am I audible to all? Just do not take much time, 1 to 2 minutes only. So don't overcook it also, otherwise the color will be very dark or will not be appealing. So be careful not to overcook the vegetables. Just as it becomes soft, the color saute it very well. Okay, and your vegetables are ready. So we'll switch off the gas now. Stop further cooking. Let's see our pasta, how our pasta is doing. We'll take out, control the gas now. Okay.
No, not yet audible.
I think my voice is clear?
Not audible.
Not audible. Now? Am I audible? Okay. So I think it's almost 4 to 5 minutes now. Let me check our pasta. I think pasta is ready. So we'll switch off the gas. And we're going to strain it. We have a strainer here. We're going to strain it. Whenever you are making the pasta, please do not throw all the water. Sometimes we require water. If we find our sauce is very thick, so we can add this water. So as you can see, our pasta is boiled perfectly. So we'll add little oil again, little bit, so that it will not stick. Okay, here you go. Our pasta is boiled, our vegetables are ready. Now it's time to start with the sauce. For the sauce, we're going to make a white sauce. We'll have butter, we are using Amul butter. So recipe is very simple for the white sauce. We're taking 1 spoon of butter, same amount of flour you have to use, like this, not too much. And in a medium flame we have to cook it. On the medium flame we have to cook it, and make sure the gas is not too high, otherwise it will start burning very fast. So the butter, if you think that if the flour is little bit less, we can add little bit flour. That's it. So when the color starts changing and you feel the aroma of the butter and cooked flour, you can actually smell it. Right? So once it is ready, so we are going to add our milk. So recipe is 1 spoon of butter, 1 spoon of flour and 250 ml of milk. So we'll add the milk now. A bit more, as you can see, and we have to continuously stir it till there is no lumps, कोई गांठें नहीं पड़नी चाहिए इसके अंदर. should be free. So we have to keep it stirring with a whisk. Okay. Little bit more. At this stage, we don't want any thick sauce. It has to be little thin, really, because once it is cooled down, it will become very thick. In this sauce, you can see that it is foaming. So how we check whether it is ready or not? So if it is start coating on the spoon, that means it is ready. So white sauce is there. We are going to season with little salt and pepper. Salt we have to be careful because already we have added in vegetables, in pasta. So we have to be very mindful while adding the salt here. Okay, so as you can see that it is ready. Start coating. That means at this stage you can reduce our flame now and we're going to add our vegetables which we already cooked here at this stage. Not too much vegetables at the time. And our pasta, of course, pasta which we have used, quinoa pasta. So just gently we have to stir it, otherwise it will start breaking. Like this. Start covering it. So it looking very colorful, appealing, and we'll add some more Italian seasoning at this stage so that it will be more flavorful, like this. Here you go. So very simple recipe to make. You make it at home anytime. You can make few ingredients required to make this white sauce: flour, butter, and milk. 3 things are required. And pasta we normally make at home. So this is variation. You can add some vegetables also, as I have showed you today. And now it's time to plate the vegetable. So pasta. So pasta we will plate it here. This, and we can sprinkle some cheese. Cheese also you can add later, or you can add while making a sauce, or you can also garnish with the cheese. Okay, and some olives. I'm going to use some olives to give a little contrast color, like this. And one small parsley sprig fresh. So here you go. This is our white quinoa pasta in white sauce with seasonal vegetables. I hope you guys like the recipe. You can follow me on Facebook at sands_IHM or Instagram under sands_IHM, and you can call me also on my WhatsApp number 955-798-5740.
Chef, there is one question
Yes,
from
please.
the audience that about corn and mutton. Have you used raw or cooked them before?
Corn and
peas.
peas. I already cooked them before. Normally corn comes in a different forms. It is a fresh, frozen, and can also. So I am using the frozen one also. It doesn't require much cooking also. You just put in a hot water and take it out. So I have already blanched them, and the peas also I already blanched them before. Rest all the vegetables, we cook them. Any more questions, guys? Anything you want to ask?
Any questions from the audience?
I think it's time for me to say bye-bye, and thank you very much for watching me, and I hope you like this recipe. Thank you. Namaskar.